This is the Simmons 8863 Clevis Rod for the 900 series yard hydrants by Simmons. A couple differences between this one and other Clevis rods you will see is most of them have the external threads here. On this one the threads are internal, so it does have those female threads. It's kind of hard to see, but there are threads in there. But we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of it as well. And get a total length. See, from tip to tip, measures right above 4 inches, so right about 4 1/8 maybe. It's right there above 4 inches. And then we can also get a diameter here at the threads. It's kind of hard to do. Right below 1/2 inch. It's kind of hard to see on here. But yeah, it measures right below 1/2 inch. Yep, once again, this is the Simmons 8863 Clevis Rod.